Time for Jim and Stop Trading.
It's becoming the year of magical thinking, Carl. Today, Dollar General goes from sell to buy at Bank of America. It looks like the stock is bottoming. I happen to like a lot of what they're doing. They're getting much more realistic, and I think that you'd have to start discounting the idea that China could hurt them very badly. We had Five Below do better. I think Dollar General is the next to do better. What can I say? There's a lot of miracles happening right now.
Yeah, the only real downgrades of note were some of these industrial PACCAR and Deere out of Jefferies.
Yeah, and that Deere was on valuations. People have been trying to kill that story on valuation for years. You can't. There's a scarcity value that really is rather amazing about how well that company, its products are. Great products.
Jim, NASDAQ's up 32% for the year.
Yeah, year of magical
another
thinking.
2/3. We've got big tech once again sort of plowing forward. Amazon up 1.7%. Meta again. I don't know. Are you concerned at all? We mentioned the money that's come into the market since the election.
I have been saying all week I devoted my shows to froth. Just say, look, you've made so much money this year. Please remember, you haven't made it until you take something off. You feel rich. You feel like you've done everything right. But the bank is not going to take it until you do some selling. There's no sin. It doesn't mean that I think that the market's done going up, but there's no sin to taking some off.
But you would imagine that'd be more of a January story than...
It could be. Well, I'm just waiting. When we get a lot of IPOs, which I believe we will, that will be the supply that we've lacked. The fuel of this rally is that there is no oxygen. It just keeps going hard. We give that oxygen, and I think people are going to say, you know what, I'm going to sell my SoundHound and get into AI. I'm going to, you know what, I'm going to ring the register on Rocket Lab and get into space, whatever. And that's what we just don't have any deals, which is shocking. We're at all-time highs. And what are these bankers doing? They should go work at Robinhood.
Market conditions look okay.
You mean in terms of IPOs, right?
Yeah, they should all go work at Robinhood. Goldman, the guys. I'm going to see some Goldman people next week. I hope they're doing okay.
Oh, don't worry about them. They're fine.
Are they going to other places, David, with different tax regimes? I'm going to here's another one. I'm going to talk about the revival of the liquor business tonight. It's suddenly gotten to the point where people say, you know what? It's too low. The stocks are too low. Yeah. The year of magical thinking, which was darn good. Anyone read?
A story you know something about.
Maybe so.
We'll see you tonight.
Absolutely.
Mad Money, 6 p.m. Eastern Time.